guide on designing a landscape park using AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating a stunning outdoor space right from your computer. Import or create a base map of the area where you intend to design your landscape park. This could be a survey map or a satellite image. Once imported, align and scale the base map accurately within your drawing area. This serves as a reference for your design. Using the polyline tool, draw lines that accurately depict the topography of the area. This includes pathways, seating areas, and other amenities. Use the line or polyline tools to create pathways and walkways throughout the park. Incorporate seating areas and picnic spots to enhance the user experience. Designate areas for ponds, lakes, or streams within the park. Use hatching or shading to represent water bodies and textures to depict different ground covers. Label pathways, landmarks, and other features within your park. Utilize dimension tools to provide accurate measurements and elevations. And there you have it. With AutoCAD, you can bring your landscape park designs to life with precision and creativity. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Happy designing!